Hello everyone! I'm sure you already heard about the campaign A Leap into the Future. I'd like to introduce our expert, which is Frank Gehlhardt. Hello Frank!
Hi Doro!
We want to talk about the valve of the future. Can you enlighten us?
Definitely, I'd love to. Everyone knows our aseptic diaphragm valves, which have proven themselves on the market for many years. And over the last few years, we have worked hard to increase the benefits for our customers. We listened closely to the market to figure out what is actually required here, and then created measures to define the valve of the future, which I'm proud to present today, the new aseptic diaphragm valve, GEMÜ D40.
So what exactly is new about the valve? What are the differences to the other valves?
Well, the GEMÜ D40 is part of our new platform generation. We have worked out a completely new diaphragm technology and sealing contour, and have also optimized the valve bodies.
So what are the advantages for our customers, Frank?
The valve bodies have been optimized in terms of weight and flow rates. Also, we have worked on the diaphragms themselves. It is now unrolled instead of being rolled over, which massively reduces the stress on the membrane and increases the shelf life of the diaphragm enormously. Beside of that, we now use a bayonet pin to fix the diaphragm to the actuator, which is so easy to do and saves a lot of time. The GEMÜ D40 can be easily mounted to metal stop, and the diaphragm always remains optimally compressed in it. That's a big plus. It is now much easier for our customers to select the actuators for the valve, since there's only one type for the different versions of valve bodies. Thanks to the modular system, our customers can configure the valve according to their process parameters and requirements in the plants easily, without much effort. And this is another big bonus of it.
So Frank, last question. Why is this the valve of the future?
Well, it is absolutely easy to install. You got the flexibility, you have a bundle of sensors and controllers around it. So it's just a joy to work with it and to implement that in a process configuration and plant. So if you ask me, I'm convinced with this valve, the future belongs to the diaphragm valve GEMÜ D40.
The perfect closing words for our short chat. Thank you very much, Frank, for your time, and bye-bye.